Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a review on the Makeup Revolution Bronze Ultra Professional Bronze Palette, which looks like this. So I've been recently obsessed with Makeup Revolution products. They have these awesome range of lipsticks and blushes and contour palettes, you name it, they have everything. So I got it from Jabong.com and it retails for 1,550, but you can always get it on sale for around 800 or something. So I'm not too sure about the exact price of how much it retails right now, but I will be linking it down in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. So this is how the packaging looks like. It comes in a very neatly packaged black packaging with bronze writing on it. It's really classy, and behind it shows you which all shades it's got, so it's really easy to understand what all shades is available. So it says it's 8 high payoff blusher powders. So this is how the packaging, outer packaging of the bronze palette looks like. It's really classy. I really love the packaging. It's black and it's got like golden bronze kind of writing written on it, which makes it look very classy and beautiful. So this is in the shade Golden Sugar. It comes with a mirror as well as with a plastic on it so that it doesn't get damaged. So the mirror looks like this, and when you remove the plastic you get these gorgeous shades which looks like this. I feel it's amazingly gorgeous. So it's got a very beautiful highlight shades, then it's got a nice pinky kind of a blush shade, and it's got two bronzers, and these are matte bronzers and these are kind of shimmery bronzers, and it's a full blush and bronze palette. So if you're on the lookout for a beautiful nice highlight and blush palette in one, I think this is amazing. I'm wearing the highlighter on my cheeks right now, and I really love the glow that it gives me. And I never used to contour my face, or I never used to bronze up my face, but recently I have started contouring face. So yeah, so I'll just swatch it for you guys how each shades are pigmented. These are highly pigmented. Just one swipe is enough, and it's the pigmentation is just awesome. This is how the highlight shade looks like. I'll just swatch it for you guys on my skin. This is how the highlighter is. It's a gorgeous pearly kind of a highlighter. How the blush shade looks like. This can be used as a light blush if you need just a wash of light color blush on your skin, and it can be used as a highlighter as well. It's a beautiful pink kind of a shade, which is amazing for highlight as well as a blush. So this is how that pink shade looks like. This is the next shade which is there in the palette. This again can be used as a highlighter as well as a blush. It's again a little more pigmented than this. You can say this is a dusty rose kind of blush or a highlighter. Again, you can use these shades as a highlighter, or you can use it as an eyeshadow, or to as a blush. So in makeup there are no rules. You can mix and match or use it, you can play it according to how you feel. So yeah, so the next shade which I'm gonna swatch is this shade right here. It's a light bronzy kind of a color, which can be used to bronze up your face, and it can be used as a light contour as well. So this is how it looks like. It won't be shown much on darker skin tones. On fairer skin tones it will be quite visible. It can be used as a bronzer as well as you can just use it to contour your face lightly as well. So the next shade is this one from the palette, which I'm going to swatch it for you guys. This is a beautiful contour shade. It's got a satiny finish to it, but it's not picking up much on my camera, but it's a beautiful contour shade which can be used from fair to medium skin tones. It's amazing, and it does not have any shimmer in it, but it's got a satiny finish, which is great. So the next shade which I'm going to swatch is this color right here. It's a bronzy shimmery shade with specks of golden glitter in it. It's got glitter, but it's very finely melted, so it's really beautiful. So it's got a very nice satiny finish. It's amazing, you guys. It's highly pigmented. This is how it looks like. It's a goldeny coppery kind of a shade. This can be used as an eyeshadow as well as a highlighter or to bronze up your face. It's really gorgeous. I'm really loving this color. Is this color right here. Again, it's a pinky kind of a bronze color which can be used as a highlighter, blush, eyeshadow, anything that you like. So the last shade is again a pearly kind of a brown color. So this is how it looks like. So see how gorgeous these shades are, you guys. So love this palette. This is an amazing palette. If you're on the lookout for a nice highlighting blush palette which has bronzers as well as blush, I think this is a great buy, and it's always available online for discounts. So I guess this is a great palette wherein you get 8 blushes as well as highlighters as well as bronzers. This can be used as a multitasking product, and I really love this product. It's definitely a yay from my side. So I really recommend this product. So yeah, so that's it for my review on the Makeup Revolution Ultra Bronze Palette, all about bronze. So it's in the shade Golden Sugar. So I hope you guys enjoyed this small review of mine. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me. And thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye guys.